Good evening to all of you. Is it audible, ma? Students. So yesterday we covered the problems related to problems on ages. So while solving the problems related to problems on ages, we have to remember whenever they given the ratio, we have to convert the ratio into the numbers, and along with that, past, present, and future. So how to prepare the equations? Hope everyone understood how to approach the problems related to ages. Yes, Yogesh, Santosh. So write down one of the important topic and small topic, mixtures and allegations. Is it audible, my voice?
The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Yeah. So write down mixtures and allegations. Mixtures and allegations. What exactly the problems related to mixtures and allegations is? This is also the problems related to ratios in one sense. So in what way we have to use the concept? For example, listen, ma, everyone. There are two types of rice. Whenever we have to say there are two types of rice, both are of different varieties or both are of different qualities. Both are of different qualities means both are of different price. Let us assume the cost price of the rice one is 10 rupees and the cost price of the rice 2 is 20 rupees per kg. The cost price of rice one 10, the cost price of rice 2 20 rupees per kg. If you mix rice 1 and rice 2 to form rice 3, okay, compulsory, it is not the rice 1 quality, it is not the rice 2 quality, it is a different quality. So that is the rice 3. Whenever it is the rice 3 quality, whenever it is the rice 3 quality, what is the ratio between rice 1 to the rice 2 to produce rice 3 at 13 rupees per kg. 13 rupees per kg. It is very clear. Rice 3 is the combination of both rice 1 and rice 2. Whenever we have to mix, rice 1 is 1 kg, rice 2 is 1 more kg to produce 10 plus 20 is equal 30. 30 is the price of 2 kgs. 30 is the price of 2 kgs. If you want to go for the price of 1 kg, nothing but 30 by 2, 15. So 15 is the average price or mean price. 15 is the average price or mean price. But we don't want to mix equal quantity 1 kg of rice 1 to the 1 kg of rice 2. In what ratio we have to mix both the varieties of rice to produce rice 3 at only 13 rupees per kg? That is our concept here. So whenever they given like this, please understand, ma, 10 rupees, 20, if you mix both of them 13 rupees per kg. 13 rupees per kg. Clear? So in what ratio you have to mix is, this is the cost price of cheaper, this is the cost price of costly rice, this is about the mean price or mixture price, that is the mean price or mixture price. Understood all of you? So in what ratio you have to mix is, for example, if you have to take 30 minus 20 minus 13 is how much? 7. 13 minus 10 is how much? 3. Get it all of you? So what exactly you have to proceed with? 7:3 is the ratio between the quantity of cheaper to the quantity of costlier. Nothing but 7 kgs of cheaper item mixing with 3 kgs of costly item to produce 10 kgs of the mixture at 13 rupees per kg. At 13 rupees per kg. Just we have to check whether it is the correct one or not. For example, 1 kg 10 means 7 kg is 70. 1 kg 10 means 7 kg is 70. Second variety, if you mix 3 kgs now, 1 kg 20, 3 kgs is 60. The total is 130. For how many kgs? 7 plus 3, 10 kgs. Automatically, 1 kg price is 13 rupees. Yes. So this is the way we have to proceed. This is what? Cost price of cheaper. This is what? Cost price of costlier. Mean price. Costly price minus mean price is the cheaper quantity, and mean price minus cheaper price is the costly quantity. Okay, sir, I am not understanding. Then what will we do? Yes, if you are not understanding, we have the method. Directly formula. Write down. Write down. Allegation is a rule. Allegation is a rule which is used to find the ratio between quantity of cheaper to the ratio between the quantity of cheaper to the quantity of costlier. Ratio between the quantity of cheaper to the quantity of costlier. Okay, right on side heading. Allegation rule is quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to. Is it audible to everyone? Say yes or no. Is equal to, how to get it? Cost price of costlier minus mean price by mean price minus cost price of cheaper. That is not the new formula. Whatever the cross one implemented previously, you can use the same in the text like this. the quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to cost price of costlier minus mean price by mean price minus cost price of cheaper. So in exam point of view, cheaper price, mean price and costly price, whenever they given, compulsory it is possible to find the ratio. Otherwise it is not possible to find the ratio. Sometimes if they give the ratio, if they give the costly price, and mean price, is it possible to find the cheaper? Yes, it is possible to find the cheaper. So depends on the example. Please proceed. But remember that may be cheaper price or that may be costlier price or that may be mixture price or mean price. That may be mixture price or mean price. All are of same type. All are cost price. All are selling price. Understood all of you? Don't take the cheaper price and the costly price or the cost price and the mixture price is the selling price. All three prices should be of same type. Then only it is possible to use this formula. Clear? So this is the only one formula you have to remember in mixtures and allegations. So all of you noted down. So shall we go for examples? Yes, yeah, write down. In what ratio? Listen all of you, first of all, 2 to 3 examples. In what ratio by mixed with the tea powder for example at 72 rupees per kg, so that the mixture worth 64.50 per kg. Ma. Here 64.50 is mixture price. 64.50 is what ma? Mixture price. And 62 rupees is, there are two types of tea powder. One is at 62 and the second one is at 72. Which one is the cheaper? 62. Which one is the costlier? 72. So 62 rupees item mixed with 72 rupees item to produce a mixture. The price of the mixture is 64.50. So this is called mean price. This is called mean price. Whenever they given the cheaper price and the costly price and mixture price, is it possible to go for the ratio? Yes, do it fast, ma. Write down quantity of cheaper by so cheaper by costlier is equal to cost price of costlier minus mean price by mean price minus cost price of cheaper. Okay. So costly price is how much? 72 minus 72 minus mean price is 64.50 by 64.50 minus cheaper price is 62. But remember which one you want. So whether you have to find the ratio between cheaper to costly or costly to cheaper. Am I clear? So 72 minus 64.50 is how much? 7.50 by 64.5 minus 62, 2.5. So 7.5 is a multiple of 2.5. So what is the ratio? 3 by 1. Please identify. Required ratio is from cheaper to costly or costly to cheaper. Next one. Next one. Find the ratio in which rice at 67.20 find the ratio in which rice at 7.20 be mixed with rice at 5.70 a kg to produce a mixture worth 6.30 a kg. Okay. So here, what are the values they given? Please understand, ma. So here 7.20 is the price of a rice and 5.70 is the price of the another rice. So whenever it is the price of another rice, remember 7.20 is the costly rice and 5.70 is the cheaper rice. Whenever we are mixing these two rice varieties, it produces a new variety that is at 6.30. So it is about the mean price, it is a cheaper and it is a costly price. We have to find the ratio to mix costly to cheaper or cheaper to costly. Costly to cheaper. Yes. So, but we have the formula that cheaper to costlier. First of all, understand ma. Quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to cost price of costlier minus mean price. by mean price minus cost price of the cheaper. Okay. So what about the cost price of costlier? 7.20 minus mixture price is 6.30 by 6.30 minus 6.30 minus 5.70. Am I clear? Okay. So 7.2 minus 6.3 is how much? 0.9 by 6.3 minus 5.70, 0.6. So what is the value? Both 90 and 60 both are in after one decimal place now. So directly you have to say that 90 by 60, 33 jar and 32 jar. So what is the answer finally? Vinay, what is the answer, ma? 3 by 2 is not the correct answer. 3 by 2 is the ratio between cheaper to costlier. But what is the required? Find the ratio in which costly rice is mixed with the cheaper rice now. So costly to cheaper required. Just it will be reversing. Cheaper to costly is 3 by 2. Costly to cheaper is 2 by 3. That is the final answer. Clear? Okay. Next one. The cost of type 1 rice is 15 rupees per kg. Is 15 rupees per kg. And type 2 rice is 20 rupees per kg. If both type 1 and type 2, are mixed in the ratio 2:3, now the ratio given. Type 1 and type 2 mixed in the ratio 2:3. Then the price per bag, of the mixed variety of the rice is mixed variety of the rice is, so indirectly we have to find the price of the mixed variety, means that is the mean price of the mixture. So mixture price required, mean price required. Same model. Okay, this is the only model, but the way of giving the different. The way of giving the question is the different. So quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to cost price of costlier minus mean price by mean price minus cost price of the cheaper. But what is the ratio they given? 2/3. But remember, 2/3 is costly to cheaper or cheaper to costly. Type 1 to type 2 is 2/3. Type 1 is 15, type 2 is 20. So that is the reason type 1 to type 2, cheaper to costly 2/3 is equal to, what about the costly price? Costly rice is 20 minus, we don't know what is the mean price. We have to find the mean price of the mixture. X by mean price is X minus mean price is X minus cost price of the cheaper, nothing but 15. Hope all of you understood this step. Do the cross multiplication. 2 into X minus 15 is equal to 3 into 20 minus X. 2X minus 30, 60 minus X. So 3X is equal to 90, 5X is equal to 90, X is equal to 18. Good ma Vinay, good. Remaining people, please follow everyone ma. Next one. Next one. In what ratio? Again, you have to find the ratio, but mixed with milk, water ma. So water to milk, nothing but water ratio. Water is the cheaper one or costly one? Water is the cheaper one. Yes. So water to milk, cheaper to costlier. So milk is the costlier. They are not using the mineral water. They are using only general water. So cost price of the costlier minus mean price by mean price minus cheaper price. So quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to, what about the costly price? Mixture price or milk price? Milk price ma 12 rupees minus mixture price is the required. Mixture price is given 8 rupees by 8 minus 0. By default, the water price is 0. So 12 minus 8, 4 by 8 minus 0, 8, 1 by 2. Nothing but for every 1 liter of water, there are 2 liters of milk ma. 1 liter of water mixed with 2 liters of milk to produce a mixture worth 8 rupees per liter. Get it, all of you? Next one. Next one. Two varieties of rice are mixed in the ratio 2:3. Don't think that it is always cheaper to costlier. Remember, which one is it is? Costly to cheaper or cheaper to costlier? The ratio is 2:3. The price of the mixture is 12 rupees per kg. So mixture price is 12. Mixture price is 12. And the price of the variety having the lower weight. So 2:3. 2:3 means which one is the lower weight? 2 kgs is the lower weight now. So that price is 10 rupees per kg. Then find the price of the other variety. Price of the other variety means price of the rice having the higher weight. Higher weight means 3 kgs. So indirectly we have to find the price of the costlier. The price of the costlier. Remember, the mean price is always between the range from cheaper to costlier. Na? Yes. So quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to the given 2/3. Cost price of costlier minus mean price by mean price minus cost price of cheaper. Mean price minus cost price of cheaper. So 2/3 is equal to, we don't know what is the costly price, that is x minus mean price is 12 by, again mean price is 12 minus cheaper price is 10. 12 minus 10. So is it possible to find the x value? So 12 minus 10 is 2. Do the cross multiplication ma. 2 into 2 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 12. So 3x minus 36 is equal to 4. 3x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40/3. That is about the cost price of the other variety, higher cost, costlier price. Next one. Next one. How many kilograms of sugar? Different model. Okay. So here, what exactly they given? Listen, ma. How many kilograms of sugar? How many kilograms of sugar means clearly we have to find the quantity of sugar. But that quantity is cheaper quantity or costly quantity. Let us check. One sugar price is 9, another sugar price is 7. Which one is the cheaper? 7 rupees sugar is the cheaper and 9 rupees sugar is the costlier. Okay. So 9 rupees sugar is how many kgs mixed with 27 kgs of 7 kg sugar. So 7 kgs cheaper quantity is 27 kgs, 7 rupees. 9 rupees costly quantity is we don't know. That is required. So what is that? The quantity of costlier required. Quantity of cheaper 27 kgs given. 7 rupees cost price of cheaper. 9 cost price of costlier. So 9 and 7 are the cost prices. So that we can produce a mixture at 9.24, that is the selling price to get 10% profit. But whenever a person get 10% profit, this is SP. First of all, we have to convert the selling price into cost price because all three prices should be of same type. Write down how to convert. Write down whenever they given the selling price, whenever they given the selling price, we have to convert SP into CP by using CP is equal 100 into SP by 100 into SP by 100 plus profit percentage R 100 into SP by if they give last mass. Sometimes we have to think in all the ways. Everyone please focus. If it is the profit plus, if it is the loss minus, we'll discuss properly in profit and loss topics, no problem. So 100 into SP by 100 plus or minus profit percentage or loss percentage. So whenever they given this one, we have to convert. First of all, write down. They clearly given that the profit percentage is 10 and the selling price is 9.24. Yeah. Am I clear, all of you? So once if you get the cost price is 8.4, 8.4 is the mixture price. Now you can use the formula quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to cost price of costlier minus mean price by mean price minus cost price of cheaper. So what is the quantity of cheaper? 7 rupees sugar. How many kgs given? 27 by quantity of costlier is X. We don't know what is that required value. Required value. So 27 by X is equal to cost price of costlier 9 rupees minus 8.4 by 8.4 minus 7. Do it fast, ma. Am I clear, all of you? So do the cross multiplication. Okay. So everyone, please focus properly because the company people may give indirect questions every time. When I understood. Okay, write down. In what ratio a grocer mix? In what ratio? Same model. In what ratio a grocer mix? Two varieties of tea powder. One is at 60 and another one is 65. So that by selling the mixture at 68.20 a kg, then he may gain 10%. So 68.20 is 68.20 is mixture price, selling price, ma. Mixture price, selling. So first of all, we have to convert the selling price into cost price. Selling price into cost price. Okay, 68.20 by 68.20 is equal to 110% of CP. I already given the formula also to you. 62. So quantity of cheaper by quantity of costlier is equal to 'Vinay, what is the answer? 65 minus 62. 65 is the costly price and 62 is the mean price by 62 minus 60. 60 is a clear. 60 is the cheaper price. So 3 by 2. That is the final answer between the ratio between the quantity of cheaper to costlier. So all of you have an idea about this particular topic? Yes. Another model. Read out. A merchant has 1000 kgs of sugar. A merchant has 1000 kgs of sugar. A part of which a part of which a part of which he sells it at a part of which he sells it at 8% profit, 8% profit, and the rest at 18% profit, and the rest at 18% profit. Overall, he gains 14% on the whole. %, on the whole. The quantity sold at 18% profit is So here 8%, 18%, all are profits, ma. 14% is also a profit. Yes. So cost price of costlier or costly value is 18 minus mean value, average value is 14 by 14 minus the cheaper value, small value is 8. Okay. So 4 by 6. 4 by 6 means how to convert the ratio into the numbers. We don't need ratio. Let us assume the quantity of cheaper to the ratio, quantity of costlier ratio is 4 by 6 means cheaper quantity 4x and costly quantity 6x. Yes. So 4x and 6x. The total 4x plus 6x is equal to 1000 kgs and 1x is equal to 100 kgs. If 1x is 100 kgs, what is the required? The quantity of sugar sold at 18% profit means higher. 6x ma 600 kgs is the answer. Any doubt up to that? So this is about the problems related to mixtures and allegations. Remember, one formula we can use in different ways, and the second one, the selling price, whenever they given, we have to convert into cost price. And this model is whenever they given, that may be the profit or that may be the loss, all three variables of same type. That may be cheaper, that may be costlier, or that may be mean price. These three prices are of same type. All are profits, all are loss, all are cost price, all are selling price, all are market price. There is no problem at all. Get it? So thank you, ma. Thank you all. Anyone have the doubts? So please visit our website www.durganaresh.com. That is my personal website. If anyone required for practice, please visit our website, ma, to get the more number of questions for practice. Okay. Thank you.